description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today we've got one from Indonesia. This is Me ABC Street Noodles Spicy Garlic and Cheese flavor. Generally when I see anything that says street noodles on it, I'm a little suspect, but this might be really good. I'm hoping it's really good. It could be really good. So, it's a multi-pack, and the packs are like not made for individual sale. I thought that was kind of interesting. Don't see that so much in stuff from Indonesia. What we got here? Some oil, seasoned oil. And I'm feeling in there some powder and some little garnish to put on top. So, as usual, when you are being good, and you've all been quite good, you get some ability to watch noodles boil. And yeah, so that's what you're doing. I'm even going to give you like the super view. Look at that. How could you even be having a bad day when you can see that? It's March 18th, I think, 2026. Everything's crazy. It's so crazy the water isn't boiling so much, but it will be. Just walking around. Saw the gas station. I've been watching the prices of gas. We don't use a lot of gas. We don't do a lot of driving. My wife works from home, so she doesn't have to commute. I walk around everywhere, and all the places we go are pretty nearby, so very infrequently are we buying like a full tank of gas. But the last time I looked earlier today at a Shell station, it was $5.49 a gallon. And everything keeps going kaboom, kaboom, kaboom. So the price of oil and gas goes up. I'm trying to use this thing to like make it so gas will be at a lower price. I don't think it's gonna make it any freaking difference, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, went to the dollar store. Got my wife a little something. Got her this. She likes this stuff. I'll show you. Gnocchi. Gnocchi. It's potato noodle. And yeah, so she digs that. So I thought, hey, since I'm here buying energy drinks on the cheap, I should get her something. So I did. But yeah, I feel like crap today. My son, he's under the weather. Went to school, no fever or nothing, but you know, everybody's feeling kind of crummy. Allergies and maybe a cold. I don't know. I'm gonna go with allergies at this point. And stupid frickin' ants and stopped up toilets. That's kind of the deal today. Every once in a while, it's just like one ant. It's like, I know there's more. They're coming in somewhere. We need to figure that crap out. They shouldn't come in. They should know well enough to stay away at this point. I think. That's my take on the situation. But who am I? Maybe somebody else has like tons and tons of ants going on and they're just ignoring it. That's possible. I'm gonna give it a couple extra seconds because it wasn't all the way up to temp. Look at that. Just look. It's fun for you. Alright. Get it back up to a boil, and then we will drain you. Still gotta say, I'm not a big fan of the this kind of countertop at all. We were looking at an apartment the other day. It actually had the regular burners. I was like, ooh, remember that? I remember that. You'd think like this would be just so great, but it's not. It's a pain in the ass. Alright. That should be good. And now it's time to drain the noodle. Alright. This should be interesting. I'm very, very hopeful that this is good. I'm wondering if this is a different range and repackaged. I don't know, because there's this one and then there's a beef one. So it said keep it wet. You don't want it, you want to drain it, but you want to have it be a little bit wet. So that's what I got here. Birds sound rather cheerful. There we go. Good. We got, this one. I feel kind of crummy today. I like I was saying earlier, I just felt like kind of like bleh. There's our powder. I can't believe that this will taste like cheese. That sounds a little weird. Alert, alert, alert. Okay. Cheesy. Garlic cheesy. I suppose we ought to give her a go. Can you hear that? Megatron in the background, it sounds like. Shockwave. That's not bad. Wow, it's got a good punch of heat too. Like real good. Whew. Alert, alert, alert. I'm going to try this route. I haven't done this in a little while. So I put the noodle in a large, tapered, tall cup. And that kind of forms it. It's interesting. It's got, I'm definitely getting the, that cheesy element. And it's not bad. Here's our noodle. I was thinking of mint, but I decided to go like that. Now on the package, it shows chicken with cheese on it. So, chicken with cheese on it. Shockwave. This is silly music, I gotta say. Actually, I'm gonna tease this out a bit. Then we've got our love magic. Look at that. Ooh, I still haven't ruled out throwing some mint on there. I could put it right there. Okay, hold on. Who's gonna be the victim today? You need to grow a bit more, so I'm gonna go with you. Mint leaf. God, I wish I need to find my crushed red pepper. Yeah, that's a must. And I do have some chili crisp, but I think we're gonna call it good. Let me see. Yeah. So we got the chicken, the cheese, the egg. Well, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching another episode of this fine show. You know, I've gotten thousands and thousands of awards for doing this. Actually, I haven't, so if you like it, please like and subscribe. Consider donating. You'll be glad you did. This has been Hans the Ramenator wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
You must eat that pizza. Let's do it. Must. Too starved because people come through here all day. Yeah.